Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how much time Xiaomi 11i 5G mobile takes to charge from 0 to 100%. Guys, I am using 67 watt box charger to charge this mobile. After enable charging, I am going to switch on my mobile. Now you see it's start charging and time is 5:37 and mobile battery is 2%. So let's wait and see after 20 minutes how much this mobile charge. So guys, now you see time is 5:57 and now it's 42% charge. So let's wait again 20 minutes and see how much mobile is charged. Now it's 6:18 and now you see 82% battery is charged. Let's see now how much time it takes to charge 100%. So guys, now it's 6:34 and now you see 100% battery is charged. 5:37 to 6:34, it almost takes 57 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. For your mobile's good performance and battery health, don't charge your mobile always 100%, charge your mobile 80 and 90% for good performance. If you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.